not even a day later, and I mean, pretty easy to see coming that we have a new high for the year on both Ethereum. Look at the daily here. Actually, a cleaner chart, the weekly. Ethereum and Bitcoin in the past almost 2 years. Bitcoin, same thing. Bitcoin just bounced off 41K, I'm pretty sure. Got close on this chart. This is on Coinbase. I saw on Crow, crypto.com, they're selling it. They were selling it for over 41K. Man, and and this was clean. This was clean. Just beautiful uptrend right here. The the candles themselves were just boom, 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 boom up, and we haven't even seen like a god candle yet, so this could still keep going potentially. And the momentum here, so clean, just straight line. I could draw the bottoms here, and they just go straight up, right into a desert. And this desert, that I think we were talking about this yesterday. We were here, and yeah, we were like right here yesterday, and I was I was talking about deserts, and we got new cacti here. Boom, boom, pow. Simple as, simple as. And if you didn't see the last video, momentum in a very significant trend typically sticks to one side, either the positive or the negative, leaving no momentum on the opposite end, which I call a desert, and the little pieces of life you get in the desert I call cacti. So that we're still going, still pumping. We just hit a new high right now, or yeah, look at that. As I record, Bitcoin's still going up, still going higher. My trades are still in. I didn't close them. Looking good. And it isn't just Bitcoin. We still got normal stocks, right? Gold. Gold just hit an all-time high ever, I'm pretty sure. If I go to the monthly, look at gold. This is the all-time high for gold. So we have now entered price discovery for gold. And I just drew a fib level here. And for this fib level, be relative with it. Gold can go up a lot, potentially 40%. The Dixie, not doing too well. We do got some bullish divergence, but it looks terrible. This is not the type of bullish divergence I would want to long, simply because money flow is going down. RSI absolutely eating it, and it's tight to the bottom. This is not the long I would like to take on the dollar, so this would be more of like maybe a consolidation before the support of the bridge breaks and we go down lower. Would be my assumption here, especially with the macro looking terrible as well. We got trigger wave on the weekly, money flow coming down. So this is the US dollar. US dollar continuing lower is inversely correlated typically with stocks and commodities and all that fun stuff. So anything you want to get rid of dollars for, which means what do you want to buy? Uh, and when that dollar goes up, what do you want to sell? So SPX looking great. This looks fantastic. I know we got some like curvature on the VWAP, but with the money flow kind of like outwardly curved coming up, making a new high, the market's gonna open tomorrow, and this RSI I can just draw a straight line on it as like support. It's just going up. It's up here. A lot of people get the RSI wrong. A lot of people think that when the RSI is up here, it's overbought because it means RSI is relative strength index. So it goes from 0 to 100. And people think that when it's up here, that it's overbought. And when it's down here, it's oversold. Maybe, but no. Basically, no. Because it is a relative strength index. When it is up here, it is strong. When it is down here, it is weak. All right? Overbought and oversold, you can coin those terms depending on the market, right? So if I'm down here and I'm weak, but I'm in a bull market, then it is oversold. Right now, we are in a bull market. It is going up. So when it is going up and it is strong, it is not overbought. It is strong in a bull market. That's a continuation symbol. If it was strong in a bear market, that is an overbought. So I'd say right here, where you got this blood diamond, that's like a significant macro indication saying this is a bearish trend now. Now the RSI, I would consider overbought, and there's better examples of that probably on Bitcoin, where right here, same thing. Like your bull market kind of ended. You know, your money's coming out, your momentum's coming down, your RSI is now overbought, coin term, right? It's strong in a bear trend, so that right now RSI is on the macro of everything. This is the SPX on the weekly, is entering that high strength level. Things are just going to keep going up. The DJI, I've been talking about this. The DJI, the Dow Jones Index, and the NASDAQ, I still believe are going to outperform the SPX. So the SPX, you know, it looks good. It is good. We got this. This looks like a cup and handle pattern on the on the macro on the weekly, and we got, you know, strong RSIs. The Dow Jones Index is showing. What I like better about it is how on the SPX the money flow is already green and we're curving up. On the Dow Jones, when I got in, it was red. It was a red trigger. Excuse me. It was red. It was a red trigger wave, and a red trigger wave with a momentum trigger wave as well. Same RSIs headed up, strong, means that this is an entirely new money flow. This is an entirely new wave that could form here. Just like here, you got these waves forming. This one is a wave, and now we're starting a new green wave, which means it has more potential. And the Nasdaq, it isn't even in the green yet. It isn't even in the green yet. Now the RSIs are also a lot lower on the macro, and then we have the daily here, but the daily looks good. It has been looking good. We got these like money flow trigger waves coming up, and when I got in, probably around here, that would make just about sense. No, I think I got in a little bit later than that. I think I got in, yeah, it's been like 8%, so somewhere around here, probably when this turned green. Same thing for the Dow Jones, man. I got it. I got in on this red candle. Whew, it looks good, man. Man, it looks good. The market looks strong. It looks healthy. We're entering these new tops right now. You can see right here exactly where we're at. We have multiple points on the traditional market of support and resistance here. And if this breaks, the only thing stopping it is going to be the last tops. All right, you got these like two major support levels right here, and that's about it. So I'm just gonna mark those down. Screw it. These are our tops for the SPX, and that isn't very far. 5%. I know this is like traditional markets. You're talking about trillions of dollars. 5% might be a lot, but I'm used to crypto, and 5% in crypto is nothing, right? In the DJI, same thing. Same thing. The Dow Jones is not even 5% away from its all-time high. We're probably going into price discovery here. And just based off these fib trends, if you want to be more conservative and do one like here, you're still looking at good returns before we enter price discovery. And while we're entering price discovery, things can go wild here. But right now, I'm big on ETH. Like this was a really big bullish indication. So when you look at this, in the past couple years, we have been in a bear trend. Seeing money flow come out like this is very indicative. It is bearish divergence, very indicative of short. However, we we can clearly see, we can identify this environment as no longer being bearish. And the reason we can do this is, I mean, there's many ways, but right now, just based on this alone, we can see that it took forever. You know, if it was more bearish, it would have come just circled like that. And it didn't. We got momentum, it came down, we got momentum support, and we kept going up. We kept diverging. It kept diverging, kept diverging. People kept selling, people kept shorting. And when we finally came into the red, it was a buy signal. When we finally came into the red, it was a buy signal. We're up over 10%. That is a bullish indication. And right after this oversold symbol, as people like to say, oh my god, it's oversold. Oh my god, it's overbought. It's oversold signal. Boom! We get this massive anchor wave. Just like this one, just like this one. This is trend continuation indications. Yes, we got some divergence. Yes, we got some divergence. But it is bearish divergence in a bull trend. That is only telling you, be patient, buy low. That's what it's telling you. Where is low? Down here. This is low. Boom. This is low. Boom. This is low. Boom. This is the 10 hour. It's a weird time frame. Let's go to like something like the 4 hour. A lot of people use the 4 hour, right? Low? Is that low? That's pretty low. Oh, that's pretty low. How about this one? Huh, yeah, that's pretty low. I mean, each of these moves, 5%, 6%, 6%, 7%, 9%, 10%. What about this one? This one, 4%. Maybe you held it because there was a trigger wave right after. Boom, 12% maybe. Maybe you got in on the trigger wave. 10%. This is crypto. It moves. It moves hard. And it's only going to get better. This is bullish candle structure. Look at these bottoms. We're still curving. We could easily have what people like to call a God candle. What is God candle? It looks like these. This is like a God candle where you get that curvature, 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 boom! So we might be looking at a macro God candle right here. It might just be curvature, 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 boom! It'll go up so high it'll curve and come back this way. You never know. This could be easily, this is easily a bull run. Well, I didn't really know what to make of this video. I just wanted to show that literally not a day ago, I was telling everyone like this is the beginning. I've been saying it for weeks already, but now we're at new highs for the year. Now we're at all-time highs on gold. Now, you know, there's only so much I can do. There's only so much I could say that I could say, hey, buy. I If you are watching this video and you stuck to the end of my ramblings of whatever the hell this video was, if you are a trader and you are dedicated and you want to learn to trade, I want to teach you. And if you already know how to trade, even better. Like, if you know how to trade, I'm trying right now to make a group of traders in this Discord. Now, there's a few groups and networks I'm in that I might know you from already. Like if you're in Evan Aldo's crew or you're in CBZ's crew, I am genuinely trying to build Not a signals group. I don't care about signals. I want a group of dedicated traders to join me looking at the markets and making it out of this together. Because in reality, the, everything we do as humans are in groups, in teams, in squads. We don't we don't really do anything alone. We don't really achieve anything alone. So why do we trade alone? Why do we trade alone? I don't want to trade alone. I'm sitting here. I'm giving you my 2 cents. Shout out to Crippled Pennies. He's in here sometimes. Shout out to Salil. And there's a bunch of you in here that I could just shout out all day. Crypto Traveler. You guys are in here. What we're not right now is we're not a team. We're not a team right now. And I'm trying to build that team. And we're going to make it work. And with this bull run coming in, people are going to come to you, people are going to come to us, and they're going to come expecting the world, right? Because their first time in crypto. This is going to be their first time trading. This is going to be their first time in crypto. And they're going to come to us as the OGs, us as the experts. And we need to go through and find out who has the dedication and who has the talent. And we need to build this team. And if you're bold enough to sit through my ramblings and watch this video, I want you as a part of my team. Reach out to me here on the Discord, invite link in the description, and let's figure it out.